Yes, give it to the toy boy. I'm sure he'll enjoy it.
Whoa, that's something we may need to discuss.
Rubber bird.
I never smell a burning one.
You'll be dead, you won't know.
Oh.
You'll be ashes.
Yeah, it's just plastic.